Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to chat with you about the power of focus when it comes to transforming your skincare routine. First things first, focusing on your skincare routine allows you to pay attention to the specific needs of your skin. Instead of mindlessly slapping on products, take the time to understand what your skin requires and tailor your routine accordingly. This simple shift in mindset can make a world of difference. Secondly, focusing on your skincare routine helps you to be consistent. Consistency is key when it comes to achieving clear and glowing skin. By dedicating time and effort to your routine every day, you'll start to see amazing results in no time. Remember, beautiful skin is not just about the products you use, but also about the love and attention you give it. So, let's unlock clear skin together by harnessing the power of focus in our skincare routine. Uplifting ending sentence. Here's to glowing skin and a glowing soul. Sparkling heart # clear skin journey # skincare transformation. Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I'm here to share some important tips on how to boost your confidence with SPF awareness. First and foremost, always remember to wear sunscreen every day, even when it's cloudy outside. UV rays can penetrate through clouds and cause damage to your skin, so make sure to protect yourself at all times. Next, don't forget to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if you're spending a lot of time outdoors. This will ensure that your skin stays protected throughout the day and your confidence remains high. So there you have it, folks. By following these simple SPF awareness tips, you can boost your confidence and keep your skin looking radiant and healthy. Remember, your skin is precious, so take good care of it. Stay safe and stay confident. Uplifting ending sentence. Shine bright like the sun, but always remember to protect your skin. Sun with Face # SPF awareness # confidence boost. Hey there, foodies. Are you looking for a healthier way to cook that can also promote rapid growth? Well, you're in luck, because today, I'm going to share with you 10 shocking benefits of no-oil cooking that will have you feeling amazing in no time. First off, did you know that cooking without oil can help lower your cholesterol levels? That's right. By cutting out oil from your cooking, you can reduce the amount of saturated fats in your diet, leading to a healthier heart and improved overall health. And not only does no-oil cooking promote weight loss, but it can also help improve your digestion and reduce inflammation in the body. Plus, it can boost your energy levels and enhance your mood, making you feel happier and more vibrant. So next time you're in the kitchen, why not give no-oil cooking a try? Your body will thank you for it, and you may just be amazed by the rapid growth and positive changes that come your way. Remember, Food is fuel, so choose wisely and watch yourself thrive. See you next time. Happy cooking.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I want to share with you some powerful strategies to unlock the secrets to anti-aging with a mindful mindset. First and foremost, it's essential to practice mindfulness. By being present in the moment and focusing on gratitude, you can reduce stress levels and promote a sense of well-being. This not only helps to slow down the aging process but also enhances your overall quality of life. Next, embrace a healthy lifestyle. Eating nutrient-rich foods, staying active, and getting enough sleep are key factors in maintaining a youthful appearance and feeling vibrant from the inside out. Remember, self-care is a non-negotiable when it comes to aging gracefully. By cultivating a mindful mindset and adopting healthy habits, you can unlock the secrets to anti-aging and embrace a more youthful version of yourself. So, take care of your mind, body, and soul, and watch as the years melt away. Trust me, the best is yet to come. Uplifting ending sentence. Remember, age is just a number, and you have the power to look and feel your best at any stage of life. Embrace it with grace and gratitude. Sparkling heart.
Hey there, beautiful souls. Today, I'm here to share some easy transformations that will not only boost your confidence, but also nourish your body with high-protein goodness. First up, we have a delicious protein-packed breakfast option: scrambled eggs with spinach and feta cheese. This meal is not only mouth-watering, but also a great source of energy to kickstart your day. Moving on to lunch, why not try a grilled chicken salad with avocado and quinoa? Packed with essential nutrients and lean protein, this meal will keep you full and satisfied throughout the day. So there you have it. Some simple and tasty high-protein meal ideas that will not only help you feel more confident, but also support your overall well-being. Remember, taking care of your body from the inside out is the key to radiating confidence and positivity. Uplift your spirits and nourish your body with these easy transformations. Stay fabulous, my friends.